Entertaining in style is a breeze when you add the warmth and elegance of the Orleans hand-woven all-weather wicker collection. You and your guests can sit back and enjoy the comfort and relaxation of your outdoor room with collections that fit your lifestyle. Crafted with our intricate hand-woven all-weather wicker weave, the durable Orleans collection includes pieces that allow you to create intimate conversation groups or an outdoor room with plenty of seating for the liveliest of gatherings. With a focus on motion, the Orleans collection includes lovely swivel gliders for the ultimate in comfort. Comfortable cushions covered in our exclusive weather and fade-resistant fabrics give you seating options that are just as beautiful indoors as they are out. Add our coffee and end tables and you have a relaxing place to serve your guests any time of year. Whatever size your space, indoors or out, the Orleans collections give you the styles to show off your flair for design and hospitality.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.